Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best wood chips is probably one of the most important factors to consider when smoking food, as the type of wood chips you use can dramatically impact the flavor profile of your finished product. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or just starting out, choosing the right wood chips is crucial for achieving that perfect smoky taste, and in this video, we'll explore the various types of wood chips available, their unique flavor profiles, and how to use them to create delicious smoked meats, fish, and vegetables. Number 5. Weber Hickory Wood Chunks. Introducing Weber Hickory Wood Chunks, perfect for adding a smoky flavor to your favorite dishes. These chunks are ideal for grilling and smoking, bringing out the best in your meats. Experience a rich and subtly sweet flavor that will elevate your grilling game. It's the perfect complement to poultry, pork, and beef. These wood chunks are versatile and work exceptionally well with poultry, pork, and beef. They impart a delicious smoky flavor without overpowering the natural taste of the meat. Transform your backyard barbecue into a culinary masterpiece. It's easy to use and delivers consistent results every time. Each bag contains 4 pounds of hickory wood chunks, providing ample fuel for multiple grilling sessions. Get yours today and start smoking. What we like. If you appreciate a classic smoky taste with a touch of sweetness, this is the perfect choice. Its rich, subtly sweet flavor enhances poultry, pork, and beef, making it a versatile option for any grilling or smoking enthusiast. If you're looking for a reliable and flavorful option for your favorite meats, you should consider this. What people say. The wood is dry and nicely sized for use in our Kamado Joe 18 grill. I use these apple wood chunks when cooking pork ribs. With the dome temp at 225 F, this gives off a very clean, barely noticeable smoke but puts a nice flavor to the meat but not overpowering. The wood chunks are the perfect size for use in my smoker, and they burn cleanly and evenly, giving my meats a deliciously sweet and fruity flavor. They are made from 100% natural apple wood, without any additives or chemicals. This cherry wood really flavors my smoked chicken. A perfect combination of flavors. I've also used this on a slow-smoked turkey with excellent results. Number 4. Mr. Barbecue Wood Smoker Chips. These wood chips will take your grilling to the next level, with 3 delicious flavors to choose from. They're perfect for adding a smoky taste to all your favorite meats and vegetables. Made from 100% natural hardwood, it's free of any artificial flavors or preservatives. Enjoy the pure, authentic taste of wood-smoked goodness. This variety pack offers 3 unique flavors, the sweet applewood, the classic hickory, and the bold mesquite. Each one is perfect for different types of food. Whether you have a charcoal, gas, or electric grill, these chips work perfectly. They're also great for smokers and pellet grills. These chips are designed for a long burn time, providing a consistent smoky flavor. They'll elevate your grilling game, no matter your skill level. From seasoned pitmasters to weekend grillers, these chips are a must-have for anyone who loves delicious barbecue. Get ready to impress your friends and family. What we like. For those who love variety, this pack offers 3 distinct flavors to experiment with. Each chip is 100% natural hardwood, ensuring a pure, authentic barbecue flavor. It's compatible with various grills and smokers, making it a versatile choice for any grilling occasion. If you like to explore different flavor profiles and want a versatile option, you should consider this. What people say. Added amazing flavor to my ribs and honestly, I couldn't have asked for a better product. Nice size bag for the cost and decent quality. Different bag and brand and pictured but they are the same chips. They have great flavor. This is my second bag. For my infrared grill I just put a chip or 2 on the burner and they start smoking. I'll sear my burgers a couple minutes each side on high temp then turn it to minimum and let the chips smoke away for a while, makes really great burgers. Number 3. MACLEAN'S Apple Rum Smoking Chips. These unique smoking chips blend the sweetness of apple wood with the subtle hint of aged rum. They're perfect for adding a sophisticated smoky flavor to your favorite dishes. The rum barrel wood adds a distinctive depth of flavor you won't find anywhere else. It's a truly authentic smoking experience. The blend of apple and rum wood creates a sweet and subtle fruit flavor with a hint of rum. It's a delicious combination that enhances any meal. They're ideal for fish, pork, and poultry, infusing your food with a rich, smoky flavor that's simply unforgettable. It's a flavor explosion. Whether you're using charcoal, gas, or any other type of grill, these chips will elevate your grilling game. They're incredibly versatile. MACLEAN'S uses only real rum barrels for a superior smoking experience. The quality of the wood makes all the difference. Explore our range of liquor, fruit, and blended flavored chips and pellets to find the perfect match for your culinary creations. There's something for everyone. What we like. This unique blend offers a sweet and subtle fruit taste with a hint of rum, creating a sophisticated flavor profile. It's perfect for fish, pork, and poultry, adding a touch of elegance to your dishes. If you are looking for an unusual and delicious flavor combination to impress your guests, you should consider this. What people say. I like these chips since they are a smaller cut and burn better in my opinion. I'll sometimes mix these with thicker chips to get my smoke going. Having lived in Texas for many years where mesquite trees grow, I have to admit this brand of smoking chips is the real thing. It puts off the sweet smoke flavor you only get with mesquite and makes food taste wonderful. I really like the flavor of these wood chips. I have used them two ways. First, I mixed them with an equal amount of pellets in a smoke tube and used them to provide additional smoke on my pellet grill. Smoke was rolling out of my pellet grill and the ribs I cooked were great. Second, I have soaked a handful of them in water, drained them, and used them for reverse sear style cooking on my PK charcoal grill. In both cases they added excellent smoke flavor to the cooks. Number 2. Whiskey Smoker Kit. It's more than just a smoker. With its elegant wooden stand, it's a stunning addition to any home bar. Display it proudly and keep all your accessories neatly organized. Elevate your whiskey experience. This kit includes everything you need to transform ordinary drinks into unforgettable smoky masterpieces. Beautifully packaged, it makes a fantastic gift. It's so easy to use, anyone can turn a simple drink into a special occasion. Smoking your whiskey is easier than you think. Simply add wood chips, light the torch, and let it infuse for a minute. Perfect for beginners and experts alike. Presented in a luxurious gift box, it's the ideal present for birthdays, Father's Day, or any special celebration. It's a gift that offers both elegance and a unique experience. This kit is made to withstand years of use. The added metal filter ensures it will remain a reliable part of your bar setup for many years to come. What we like. This isn't your average wood chip pack, it's a complete cocktail smoking kit. It includes 4 unique wood chip flavors and everything you need to elevate your drinks. It also makes a unique and memorable gift. If you are looking for a fun and unique gift for a cocktail lover or want to add a special touch to your drinks, you should consider this. What people say. This includes almost all you would need, except for your drink and a lighter, to make a really nice cocktail. Includes several different wood chips for smoking and allowing for a different taste to your preference. Easy to use and again, great for gifting. The biggest highlight for me is the fact that this is the only smoker kit on Amazon that comes with a display stand. This is so cool because it's a great addition to my bar cart. Looks amazing. The second big advantage versus other smokers is the fact that this smoker has a flat bottom. This really helps because you can easily fill the glass to the top without dipping your smoker into liquids. Unlike many other kits which come with a cheap plastic torch, this one is made of aluminum and has a flame adjustment feature on the handle. With this smoker kit you can easily add smoke taste to your mixed drinks or even alcohol-free drinks. All essential things you need are integrated in this kit. After you add your drink to a glass, you put your choice of chips in a smoker lid, then light with the torch. You do need to buy the butane separately, and cover with the lid cap. As the chips burn, the smoke goes into the glass. The instructions for using are very easy and the overall result is impressive. Number 1. Western Barbecue Wood Chips Variety Pack. Get ready to elevate your barbecue game. This variety pack offers 4 unique flavors to enhance your grilling experience. Infuse your meats with a subtly sweet and fruity taste. It's perfect for poultry, pork, and even some fish. For a smoky, robust flavor, mesquite is your go-to. It pairs exceptionally well with beef and game. Experience the traditional hickory flavor, known for its rich and slightly sweet notes. It's a versatile choice for all types of meats. Add a touch of sweetness and elegance to your barbecue with cherrywood. It's a wonderful complement to lighter meats and desserts. With this variety pack, you have endless possibilities to experiment and create your signature barbecue flavors. Enjoy! What we like. This variety pack offers 4 classic flavors: apple, mesquite, hickory, and cherry, allowing you to explore a wide range of smoky profiles. It's the original version, ensuring quality and consistency. If you want a wide selection of flavors to experiment with and enjoy a trusted brand, you should consider this. What people say. The Western Barbecue Smoking with Chips Variety Pack is a fantastic choice for anyone who loves experimenting with flavors on the grill or smoker. This bundle includes 4 different wood chip flavors: apple, mesquite, hickory, and cherry, each offering its unique aroma and taste to elevate your barbecue game. The chips are perfectly sized for easy use in smokers or with a foil packet on the grill. I've tried all 4 flavors, and each one brings out distinct characteristics in the meat. The apple and cherry are amazing for chicken and pork, adding a subtle sweetness, while the mesquite and hickory are perfect for bold, smoky flavors on beef or ribs. Each wood chip variety provides a distinct, rich flavor that elevates the taste of meats, veggies, and more. The chips burn evenly and produce a great amount of smoke, making grilling even more enjoyable. Easy to use and add great flavor to any meat you are smoking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.